Good morning from Richard here at Edwin Cars in Newtownards. Just this morning, just for a few moments, I would like to show you this mini Countryman that we have in stock at the moment. This particular vehicle was first registered in May 2017 and has only covered 7,400 miles. This particular car is finished in melting silver, which is like a champagne-y colour with the contrasting black roof and black mirrors. It has the privacy glass, has the alloy wheels, and being the Countryman has the looks of the conventional Mini, but has the space and practicability of an SUV. This particular vehicle is a locally owned car and has certainly been exceptionally well looked after. It certainly is an eye-catching vehicle, and it certainly looks the part in this colour and in this specification. I'll just show you a few features inside. Inside it has the sports seats with the sports cloth and leather inserts. It also has the extendable base for the sports seats. The dashboard, very traditional Mini, very striking, with the large dials and the knobs and controls. In the rear we have plenty of space. This vehicle will sit 3 adults across, with plenty of head and leg room also. And in the boot we have a good sized boot, plenty of height, plenty of depth, and also the seats will then fold down, giving plenty of room. So this certainly is a very practical car. And moving into the driver's side, we jump in behind the wheel. We see many of the features of this car. This particular car has cruise control, automatic wipers, satellite navigation, keyless start, etc. All comes as standard. This vehicle also has the adjustable mood lighting, so we have this lighting along the doors, along the dashboard, which is can be changed as you sit in the vehicle. This large screen on the dashboard, if we switch it on, controls your digital radio, and then also this vehicle is fitted with satellite navigation and also Parktronic as well. When we engage reverse, it comes up with the rear parking sensors. This whole unit is controlled with these buttons on the center console. See across the dash, and its current mileage 7,460 miles. Let me just press this button here to knock the car off. Just step out. So if you are looking for a vehicle like this, you're more than welcome to call in, take a look at this one, take a test drive, and if you're looking at the part exchange, we'll be happy to look at your vehicle. If you require some finance, we'll work out the different options there also. So thank you for watching, and if I can be of any more assistance, don't hesitate to get in contact, and also remember that the rest of our stock can be seen online at www.edwinlongcars.com. Thanks very much.